Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to configure the leave encashment, which is the second part of the leave configuration. We will look at setting the leave encashment policy and the formula. Go to Settings, click Leaves, click Add Leave for a new leave, or click View or Edit for an existing leave. Click Encashment, can carry forward. Check the box if the leave must be carried forward to the next leave year. Specify the maximum number of days that can be carried forward to the next leave year and a max carry forward at leave year end. Is encashable. Check the box if the leave balances can be encashed. Enter the maximum days of leave that can be encashed either on separation or while in service if applicable. Encashable formula. The formula created under the leave encashment component will be shown here. Please note that before creating the encashment setting, you need to create the leave encashment component and define the formula. Click Save and your leave encashment configuration is completed. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.